Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to sign up to GitHub application. So open Chrome browser and type github.com. And it will take you to the GitHub application. Then click on sign up button. Enter your email address. Click continue. Create a password. Click continue. Enter username. Then click continue. Would you like to receive product update and announcement via email? Enter N and click continue. I don't want any update. Then click start Agile. One more time so that this one is identical. Click create account. Now what I have to do, it says please verify your email. So they will send you the code to your email. So I'm going to my email to get the code. So I already got the email. I'm going to enter the code here. 06 7. So this is the email that you have to log in. So this is the email they were going to send it, and you will get the one-time code, and you will have to add that code. And after that, it will come back to this page. So I'm going to skip for now. Click skip. So it has been created successfully.